Hi, my name is Jimmy from AET LED Display Limited. What happened is that I'm going to show you this our texture LED COB product. We have two category of product. One is the flat applications, and the other one is basically using flexible module, right? So this application is very suitable for museum, art gallery, or even high-end commercial window display. So what happened is this: the texture you can mix. We can custom make the texture for you, wood grain, marble, or tiles, anything that you want to do. So basically, send us your requirement, and we will be able to customize for you. And for that, we are basically for US market, we are doing OEM only. So basically, we can custom make everything that you required. Thank you very much for watching. And for more information, you can visit our website www.aetled.com. Thank you very much.